Canada is experiencing too windy weather today. All the west winds, signs, and everything is falling down. People are wearing good winter clothes. See, the entire society is having like this. And especially today, there is snowflakes coming down. So, hope winter is not that much far away. City is preparing with tree cuttings, like making the whole city good. That's nice. And I notice it is like everywhere it is. The people are very afraid to come out. And the good thing about this, we can reduce the corona spread. People are wearing masks. See, all these roads are getting damaged. Okay, you can see these snowflakes. Even birds are not even outside. Yep. It's downtown. And even the downtown seems so slow. Yeah, Corona is giving a hard time for the entire society. Business people are having problem, and people like these people are like, they don't have a house or anything, like they are going to face a hard time this time. Wherever it is closed, homeless people are like in trouble with the situation. Okay, see you.